interior. See that door, replace the doors. So the interior has already been gutted out. And this is the living room area on unit, let's call it unit 2 for now. So the other side is unit 1 and this is unit 2. So if you look, all them it's already been gutted out, ready for electrical and plumbing, and then insulation. So that's giving you a feel. There you go. So the stairs to the upstairs are right here, but I'm gonna look backwards towards, that's the window that exists, looking down back to the front door and looking at the section where the power goes down to the ground. So that's ready for installation. On the back here, as we head towards the kitchen, you see that the studs have been prepared here, whereas on this other side we still have to remove this so that we can create a clear base for the drywall that will run really fast. There's a storage space here. It goes into a crawl space, and currently in the crawl space we have the electric panel. So here we are. So the studs have already been prepared, or rather the framing has been prepared, has been repaired, and ready for electrical and plumbing. So the back here, the demolition had started. So back here, the intent is to have a laundry room as well as a toilet for downstairs. There was an existing laundry sink here, and you can see the power was coming to that area there. So there is a space. We'll go to the other side so that you can see. There it is. So there is a space. That gives you a very good view of the whole space. This space is to be framed so that we have a laundry room and a bathroom, and a full bathroom. Framing ready. So new door coming up here. You may consider moving the door, but I think we will retain it like that. So there. That's the back window. And these are existing electrical heating. So some of this, like this drywall here, we may need to remove it if necessary, because otherwise repair takes more time, and at the same time it will be easier to rough in the electricals without having to deal with some drywall in some spaces. So just giving you that feeling. The ceiling height is almost 9 feet in this section here. We do have some electricals already in place, so we should be able to. I'm going to walk upstairs. And place drywall all the way here. That looks in a better condition, may not need to be replaced. We can deal with that one there. So there, and we can see the ceiling up here. There's a staircase. This comes into the bathroom. So some changes in here that will require framing, and you can see those in the plan. Some changes will require framing here. This wall here, this wall will be moved a bit in, and you'll see it in plan. And this section here will end up becoming the new shower, right? So yeah. So I'm gonna walk out of the bathroom into the main bedroom, and that's the main bedroom there. The two windows that you could see from outside. There. And then walking to the section, and you can see the back part. So what's happening here is we'll close out this wall here. This doorway will be closed out. The closet will be, there will be a built-in closet here on the outside, and you'll see that in plan. And this is the section of the ceiling. We'll just complete the ceiling, nothing into the top. So that looks into the other side, into the other building, into the other unit. But I'm gonna walk across to the back bedroom. And right now the intent is, once we start, the wall will be reduced to somewhere almost 1.5 feet from its current, right? So that this bedroom can be a bit wider, the second bedroom. So looking at it, the insulation, other than this framing here, so two sections have been framed. The movement of this of bathroom in and downstairs, and then that particular closet space will move to this back space here, so that there's a separation with the other building there. So I'm gonna walk back down. We have all the measurements, you'll see them in plan. I'm gonna walk back down. So there you go. And stepping up. And I'm in the living room area. That's the front door. And here's the siding that's is being used to complete the back part. And out into the street.